How's it going today, guys? TW After Hours here. We got Hunter's warming up the saw. Kevin's warming up the other saw. We got the big girl out today. What are we doing, guys?
About to go make some trails.
We're about to go cut some trails, son.
About to kill somebody.
Yeah, that too. Oh, shit!
Oh. I think we're in business.
I think we are too. Look how magically vibrant.
Hey, she's a big mama.
Nobody gonna say a damn word?
Clear. You could probably go under that tree. Would be easy. Oh, it cracked. Oh, Josh, I saw you packing. I want to get it on camera. We don't want Josh to get hurt.
Do we?
But if he gets hurt,
Yeah.
it's content and funny.
Yeah.
We need that in our lives. No offense, Josh. We do love you, though.
Do we?
I don't know. You work with him, Kevin.
Yeah, it sucks. You see what I have to deal with every day.
This is Josh's girl. You might want to watch out, Kevin. You might want to watch out. Oh shit! It's got some pressure on it.
Kevin, you might want to...
Yeah, because this thing gets back, it's gonna hurt. We're good.
That's what I'm talking about.
Is that how you relieve stress?
You want that one going? Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, sure. Oh shit!
Kevin!
Ow! 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 Threw it right on me. Watch out, Josh.
Hell yeah!
Boy, this cleared off pretty quick when you got 3 chainsaws going. Nice thick wood right here. Good in diameter. Got the rings. You can see that. Love it. You gonna be ready to rip on it?
Hell yeah!
You can't stop on it, that's for dang sure. I want to take my 4-wheeler down it when I bring the key with me. Ow! Josh know how to cut a tree down. There we go. That's what we wanted. Looks like good looking wood right there. I love the way cedar smells. So, do we think any injuries are going to occur today?
Yeah, more than likely. To him, not us.
Oh,
No, it'll be me and you that get hurt.
probably. Uh-oh,
Because
now,
of him.
Yeah, now we got an issue. Give her a good kicker. There we. Oh, I bet that bout caught his foot. I bet you can't wait to be gapped going up this hill again. Huh? You ready for it, big boy? Because it's coming. Look at you down there working. You don't even know that I'm smack talking right now. But you're going to find out. Not a bad climb. Falling down log here. Kind of come straight up like this. It's clear right here, which is nice. Ow! I'm just not in shape, Kevin. I am not in shape. Go that way because this log is massive.
All right, guys, we got the trail cleared out, so we're gonna get the Arctic Cat and run up it and see how it works. That's gonna do it for today's TW After Hours vlog. Hope y'all enjoy us clear cutting some trails, getting them ready for the springtime so we can rip it around the farm before they sell it and whatnot. I got Kevin behind me, Hunter in front of me. So thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, guys. Let's build this channel up just like Trucks and Water. I very, very much appreciate each and every single one of you that watch my videos. Other than that, guys, do what you love. Always do what you love and never give up on your dreams.